always, always,
always, always,
At all times in the past.
We've always lived here.
Forever.
I'll always remember you.
Accept. Accept.
accept, accept,
Exception, exceptional, exceptionally.
Not including a particular fact, thing, or person.
The museum is open daily except Mondays. It's cool and quiet everywhere except in the kitchen. Everyone was there except for Sally.
instead, instead,
In place of someone or something else.
There's no coffee. Would you like a cup of tea instead?
all, all,
The whole amount of something.
I've spent all my money. Have you drunk all the juice? By morning, all the snow had gone.
Many different types of something.
They had all sorts of jewelry for sale. We saw all sorts of animals in the park.
Used to say that you hope someone will be happy, healthy, successful, etc., often when saying goodbye.
All the best, then. It was nice to meet you. Please wish him all the best for his new job.
Completely or very.
The cake was all eaten last night. You're all wet. Tell me all about your holiday.
Everywhere in a particular place.
He's traveled all over the world.
warm, warm,
Warmth, warm, warm, warmly.
Describes clothes and covers made of a material that keeps you warm.
I don't have a warm winter coat. Those gloves look nice and warm.
carpet, carpet,
carpet, carpet,
Thick material for covering floors, often made of wool.
We've got fitted carpets in the bedrooms.
lion, lion,
A large, wild animal of the cat family, with light brown fur.
The lions came down to the waterhole at sunset.
paint, paint,
Paint, painter, painting, paint.
To cover a surface with paint in order to decorate it.
We've painted the bedroom blue. I've been painting all morning. I'll need to paint over these dirty marks on the wall.
Swimming, swimming,
Swim, swimmer, swimming, swim.
The activity of moving through water by moving your body.
Let's go swimming today. The doctor recommended swimming as the best all-round exercise.
alone, alone,
alone, alone,
without other people,
He likes being alone in the house. She decided to climb the mountain alone. Do you like living alone?
Vocabulary. Vocabulary.
all the words you know in a particular language,
A broad or wide or limited vocabulary. Reading helps to broaden your vocabulary.
singular, singular,
the singular form of a word is used to talk about one person or thing. For example, woman is the singular form of women.
A singular ending or form or noun or verb. The word woman is singular.
A word or form that shows that there is only one of something.
The singular of children is child. The word teeth is plural. In the singular it's tooth.
matter, matter,
The reason for pain, worry or a problem.
What's the matter? Why are you crying? What's the matter with your hand? It's bleeding. Is anything the matter?
To be important, or to affect what happens.
We were late but it didn't seem to matter. What did you say? Oh, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what you wear, just as long as you come. Soft drink. Soft drink.
A cold, sweet drink that does not have alcohol in it.
Are there any soft drinks for the children?
Identification. Identification.
Identification. Identity. Identify.
An official document that shows or proves who you are.
We were asked to show some identification before the security guards would let us in.
Roof. Roof.
Roof. Roof.
roof, roof,
The surface that covers the top of a building or vehicle.
The house has a flat or tiled roof. He climbed onto the roof. Put the luggage on the roof of the car.
post, post,
Post, post, postal.
Letters and parcels that are delivered to homes or places of work.
Has the post come or arrived yet? I'd been away for a few days, so I had a lot of post waiting for me. Unless it's marked private, my secretary usually opens my post.
The public system that exists for the collecting and delivering of letters.
My letter must have got lost in the post. If you don't want to take it there, you can just send it by post.
To send a letter or parcel by post.
Did you remember to post my letter? I must post that parcel off, or she won't get it in time for her birthday. Could you post me the details or post the details to me?
open, open,
To open. To open.
open, open,
Opening, openness, open, open, opening, openly.
Not closed or fastened.
An open door or window. An open suitcase lay on her bed. You left the packet open.
To remove or separate part of a container or parcel so that you can see or use what it contains.
Shall I open another bottle of wine? I haven't even opened the letter yet. She can't wait to open all her presents.
If a shop or office opens at a particular time of day, it starts to do business at that time.
The cafe opens at 10 o'clock. What time does the bank open?
Mushroom. Mushroom.
A type of fungus with a short stem and a round top, some types of which can be eaten.
Pasta with wild mushrooms. Car park. Car park.
An area of ground for parking cars.
I parked in the car park.
piano, piano,
Piano. Piano. Pianos.
A large musical instrument with a row of black and white keys which are pressed to play notes.
We're buying a new piano. I play the piano. We all joined in the song, with Pat at the piano or on piano.
Save. Save.
Savings. Saving. Save.
To keep money so that you can buy something with it in the future.
We've saved almost £900 for our wedding. Michael's saving up for a new computer.
To keep something to use in the future.
I've saved some food for you. She saved her black dress for special occasions. I save all my old letters in case I want to read them again.
To make sure that a computer keeps information that you have put on it.
Make sure you save your files regularly. I saved the photos in the family folder.